And so because I was a linguistics major, and my Hawaiian identity like played such a big role, they wanted me to do something with like words and typography, and it was for a sculpture class. Anyways, I ended up handwriting the whole Kumulipo, and I did.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
the whole thing.
The whole thing, 2,107 lines, something like that. Oh gosh, I should know that. It's over 2,000 lines long. But yeah, I hand wrote it, the whole thing, and did a installation in one of our art galleries, and so that was super impactful and kind of felt like a full circle moment at the end of my senior year there, that I was able to like bring something so important in our history to the forefront of the work that I was doing, and expose also some other students about like the importance of it, and like the importance and uniqueness of oral history and language and just all of those things. But it was cool because like people back here found out about it. Kumulehua guys found out about it and posted about it. I think they even like asked me for a copy of it at one point.
That's nuts.
Yeah, so I still have it. I still have all of the papers that I hand wrote that on. But, yeah.
I did not know that.
Yeah.
That is crazy.
Yeah, carpal tunnel's real. Like the wrist.
How long did that take?
I probably did it over the course of like maybe 2 weeks, and I would just like take a couple of hours each day and try to like knock out a little bit every day. But it was a lot.
What an accomplishment. Wow.
Yeah, it was crazy. I've got pictures I can show you.